Hello children, hope all are safe at home. So children, in this video I am going to explain about plastics, which is a continuation topic of synthetic fibers and plastics of grade 8. Okay, so what are plastics children? Plastics are non-biodegradable materials which cannot be heated or remolded according to their types. And these plastics are made up of chemical substances called as polymers. They are made up of chemical substances called as polymers. Okay. So the types of plastics are thermosetting plastics, thermoplastics. Okay. Plastics are of two types, thermosetting plastics and thermoplastics. Okay. Coming to the first type of plastics called as thermosetting plastics. So thermosetting plastics means they are hard and rigid in nature. Thermosetting plastics are hard and rigid in nature. Like example, bakelite, melamine. Okay. So these can be molded to set it in any shape, but they cannot be remolded again. Okay. These thermosetting plastics can be molded to a desired shape. So upon converting into a particular shape, they cannot be melted and remolded again. Okay. Why? Because they are hard and they are resistant to heat and electricity. Okay. Hence, they are used in making the handles of kettles. Okay. In the early days, they used to use this particular plastics to make the black telephone sets, electrical switches, holders, pins and plugs. Okay. Next, coming to the next type of plastics called as thermoplastics. So thermoplastics are soft and flexible. They are soft and flexible. Upon melting and heating, they can be remolded again into different shapes. Okay. They can be remolded into different shapes upon melting and heating. Okay, so these particular thermoplastics can be drawn into fine fibers, okay, and they can be designed into desired shape, or they can be stretched, or they can be spread to form a sheets. Like for example, okay, polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polypropylene, okay, all these are the type of thermoplastics. Next, coming to the plastics properties. Properties of plastics. Okay, the first property of plastic is plastics are poor conductors of electricity. Okay, in the same manner, plastics are poor conductors of heat. They are inflammable. They are insoluble in water. Okay, hence they can be used in making different varieties of shapes of containers or buckets or bottles, okay, wherever we require in our whatever we require in our day-to-day life. So children, as plastics are non-biodegradable, that is, they cannot be decomposed by the action of bacteria or fungi, that is microorganisms, they cause pollution, they affect the environment. Okay, like they cause air pollution upon burning, they cause land pollution upon throwing the waste near the roadsides. Okay, they cause water pollution upon throwing the plastic onto the into the water bodies. Okay, so which is where the aquatic animals are affected. Yes, so hence we should recycle the plastics. Okay, either we have to reduce the use of plastics, or we have to reuse the plastics, or we have to recycle them. Okay, so this is all about the plastics topic children. So here we end with the chapter. In the next video I am going to explain about the new chapter, okay, of class 8. Thank you.